Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. We'll continue with questions. What is the syllabus for your next test? Maths?
The one on Sunday, like day after tomorrow, has the same one.
Sunday?
Sorry, Friday.
And Sunday's test?
Okay, one sec. Integration, differential equations, sets, relations, height and distance, mathematical induction, statistics.
You should go through your NCERT book for mathematical induction and statistics. Those are topics that are not in JEE Advanced. This is only in JEE Mains. Should go through the statistics portions and all. Right? We have not discussed that, but you need to revise it like mean, mode, median, and stuff like that. You need to know what all of those are definitions, because very easy questions will come, just that you need to be aware of them. So go through the maths book, NCERT maths book for that. Right now, we'll continue with practice here. So this question, P and Q and R are given. You have to find the value of this. It's fairly easy. This is, you have to do what? P plus Q plus R by PQ, right?
Okay.
So what is cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175? In order to find this, you should group some terms together and then try to see what is coming. How are you simplifying? What are you doing?
Cos 55 and cos 175. So 2 cos.
That is
Uh,
the wrong grouping. That doesn't help us because just do 30 and all, right? That's a weird angle. 230 by 2 and all will come. Maybe it is fine actually. Yeah, it's fine actually. Any grouping is fine. 115 degree and it will be 60 degree, right?
right.
And what is coming? 2 cos 60, which is 1, and 2 cos 115 plus cos 65. What is cos 115? Right?
Right.
So this is 0. But the thing is that you should do it faster. It should not take so much time. It should be immediate. Like you just see this and then you add it. Like it should not be like so much time because time is what is important in such questions. These are easy questions. You understand the answer is 0, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The sum of solutions. The sum of solutions in 0 to 2 pi of the equation cos x cos pi by 3 minus x plus no multiplied by cos pi by 3 plus x is equal to 1 by 4 is what? How are you simplifying the left hand side product?
I did cos of minus x plus cos of 5, I think. Like the cos A cos B formula on the last two terms.
On the last two terms.
Yeah.
Do you know the formula for cos of a minus b multiplied by cos of a plus b? What is this equal to?
Sine square A minus cos square B. I'm not sure.
Cos square a minus sine square b. No, need to be sure of this. What is sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b?
Sine square A minus sine square B.
So here it will be cos square a minus sine square b. Why are you not using that? That is much faster than what you're doing. Why are you not using this identity?
Because, I mean, cos of 60 is also, like in the end, you'll get a quadratic in cos x. So, yeah, I didn't think about that. I didn't.
It's faster. Whatever you're doing, it will be faster this way, right? You will get cos square 60, 1 by 4 minus sine square x. And this one you can make it as 1 by 4 minus 1 plus cos square x. So it is cos square x minus 3 by 4. You have cos x into cos square x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So just by looking at it, you can say that cos x is equal to 1 satisfies this, right?
Right.
Even though, like, actually you're supposed to try to simplify it and all. But I can see that one is a root, right?
Yes.
So this is my polynomial t cube, or make it 4t cube minus 3t minus 1. This is my polynomial. T minus 1 is a factor I already know, right?
Right.
Because t is equal to 1 satisfies this. Now, this will give me some solutions. I just need to check whether there are other solutions. So I should take out t minus 1 as a factor and get whatever is left, right? And see if that quadratic has any other solutions. Correct?
Yes.
So 4t square t minus 1 minus 4t square, so plus 4t t minus 1 minus 4t, so plus t minus 1, so minus 3t minus 1. So it becomes 4t square plus 4t plus 1 multiplied by t minus 1. This is 2t plus 1 whole square, right? So your t can be minus half or t can be 1, correct? Cos x can be minus half or 1. What are the possible values between 0 to 2 pi where this happens, right?
Right.
So obviously x0 you have to exclude because this is not there. It will be 1 at 0 and 2 pi. So those we are excluding. So cos x will be minus half at 2 pi by 3, right?
Right.
And it will also be minus half at fourth quadrant some angle, right? 2 pi minus
Third quadrant.
uh, third quadrant. So it will be pi plus pi by 3, so 4 pi by 3, right?
Right.
It will not be 1 anywhere else. It is 1 at 0, it is 1 at 2 pi. Nowhere else is it 1. So these are the two values. Some of the solutions will be 2 pi, right?
Right.
So ultimately it is a cubic equation. You should, by looking at it, you should be able to figure out that 1 is a root. And if you know one root, then you can factorize it and get the remaining stuff, right?
Yes.
So that is how you do it. Then next one is this one. If fx is equal to integral of 3x power 4 minus 1 dx by plus 1 whole square, and f of 0 is 0, f of minus 1 is what? It's a direct integration question. You have to be able to integrate it. In such type of questions, when there is high powers and all, generally there is a strategy that you check what happens if you divide numerator and denominator by some power of x, right? Some power of x, and see if you can somehow arrange it so that differentiation of the denominator comes in the numerator, right?
Right.
That is a common technique, so try that. This is the next question after this.
It's 2.
Which one? First one.
Yeah.
What will you answer?
2.
2. 2 is not correct. Are you able to integrate? What have you done?
Divide by x squared.
Then what is
And
your
the
integration
denominator.
coming? After integration, fx is coming as what?
Minus 1 by x cubed plus 1 plus 1 by x.
Minus 1. How are you getting minus 1? It should come. That is correct. X cube plus 1 plus 1. So why are you making mistakes in calculation now after this? After getting the right integration, how can you make calculation mistakes?
So c will be 1, right? I didn't. Oh wait, 1 by 0.
How will you put 0 here in 1 by x?
Okay, no, yeah, sorry.
These types of silly mistakes you have to remove. But obviously, you'll have to multiply by x and bring it on top. No,
Right,
it will be minus x by x power 4 plus x plus 1 plus c. So c will be 0. And then answer will be minus 1. So plus 1 by 1 minus 1 plus 1. Right?
right,
You cannot put 0 directly. No, how will you do it? 1 by 0. Even if you do directly, you should get c is 0. You understand why? If you put c 0 directly here, 1 by x tends to infinity, so this part tends to 0.
right.
Then also you should get c is equal to 0. How are you getting c is equal to 1? Don't make careless mistakes like this. After doing the entire question, you are getting negative marks for no reason. This is the next one. Try this. Numerator is easy to evaluate, right?
Yeah, 2 pi.
Numerator answer is 2 pi. For the denominator, you should do a substitution. The whole thing under the root can be taken as t, right?
Yeah.
So you will get some dt will be some number into sine theta cos theta d theta. Are you getting something for denominator?
Yeah, 1 second. Four by three.
4 by 3 for the denominator. Final answer is coming what way?
Three pi by two.
That doesn't seem to be right. Check your calculations once. I am getting 49 by 24 after integrating the denominator. So answer for me is 2 pi by 49 by 24. So it is 48 pi by 49.
Yeah, got it. Sorry.
What happened? The limits were wrong.
No, before that. The t dt. I missed it too.
Which two?
No,
32.
yeah.
Okay. Don't make careless mistakes. You can only do questions once. You don't have time to try them again, right?
Right.
You have to remove these errors. Be careful while you do any step. Uh, okay. Then, let y is equal to yx. Satisfy the differential equation. Differential equation y dash is equal to ln x y dash minus y. If y of 1 is equal to minus 1, y is twice differentiable and y double dash x is not equal to 0, then y of e is what? Right now, the differential equation is not in any form that you know. So you probably have to change it somewhat. Right now, you can't solve it. It's not in any form. So read the question carefully, what all information he has given. He has given if y of 1 is minus 1, and he has given that y is twice differentiable. So think about it, why would he give this y is twice a differentiable thing? Because if he didn't give this, then you don't know if derivative exists, right?
Right.
He has given that it exists, that means you can take derivatives, right? If you take a derivative of the given equation, you will get y double dash there. So try to take that. That is the hint here. upon differentiating, you should get something nice.
Yeah. X plus y is x y dash.
So you'll get the equation xy dash minus y is equal to x, right?
Right.
Upon differentiating, y double dash will cancel from both sides. Right?
Yes.
Now, this is a differential equation that you should know how to solve. It is dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 1.
E
What?
y is xl and x. No. Okay, 1 second.
Be careful again.
Hmm.
Y into 1 by x is equal to integral. This side is coming out to be ln x plus c, right?
Right.
Y is equal to
E
x ln x plus cx. Don't forget the c here. Then use this to find out y of e.
zero.
Okay, that's correct. Don't forget to write the plus c in the thing when you do integration by part, integrating factor method, right?
Right.
Then next one is this. If alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 are the roots of x power 4 plus 2 minus root 3 square plus 2 plus root 3 is equal to 0. Then find the value of 1 minus alpha 1, 1 minus alpha 2, 1 minus alpha 3, 1 minus alpha 4.
Five.
Huh? You're
Five.
getting the answer.
Yeah, I think we did this before. Similar.
What is the answer?
5.
Yeah. You have to put x is equal to 1 in the expression x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then okay, the next one is this. Let f be from R to R, and it is given as f of x is equal to 2x plus alpha square. X is greater than equal to 2, and alpha x by 2 is 10, or x is less than 2. If f of x is into, then least positive value, least integral positive value of alpha. Positive value of alpha. What is the meaning of into function?
The range is less than the.
Range is a subset of codomain, right?
Yeah.
It's not equal to codomain. So codomain here is real set, right?
Right.
The range should not be all reals. All reals, right? For this to happen, for this function to be into. So think on those lines. What is the range values here you're getting for this piecewise defined function? So if you look at this function, this part of the function is valid for x less than 2. You can say that this is a linear function. So when x is very small, this part will tend to minus infinity, right?
Right.
Correct. Like depending on whether alpha is positive or not, right?
Yes.
So if you wanted to get very low values of real numbers as output, you can get it on this side, right? Like till all negative reals, like till any negative real that you want, you can go.
Yeah.
Because x, it's a linear function which can go down whatever you want, right? Similarly, on this side also, 2x plus alpha square, x greater than 2, then this can also rise up to whatever value you need, plus till plus infinity, right?
Okay.
So on the first glance, it looks like the function is going from minus infinity to infinity. So it should be on 2. So you have to now think of how can you make it into? What is the value that it won't be able to attain? Like, is there some value like that? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Right now, it looks like it goes from minus infinity to plus infinity. So is there any particular value that it cannot achieve? The only thing that you can do here is check at 2, right? Where the function changes definition. If the function somehow turns to be discontinuous, then there will be a gap, right?
Okay.
If the function is continuous, then it will attain the values at whatever is required. But if it is discontinuous, if the, let's say ahead here, values are tending to 2 into 2 plus alpha square, right? Right hand limit. And if it is greater than, let's say, alpha into 2 by 2 plus 10, right?
Okay.
Then that means the graph of the function will have a gap, right?
Okay.
So that is the only chance it can have where it is discontinuous. There is no other way it could be discontinuous. Because above that, above x is equal to 2, it can go to whatever high value, and below that also it can go to whatever low value. So you should say that these limits are not equal. This can be greater than this. So you'll get alpha square plus 4 minus alpha minus 10 is greater than 0. Right?
Okay.
So you get alpha square minus alpha minus 6 is greater than 0. And this is alpha minus 3, alpha plus 2 is greater than 0. And then that means that minus 2 and 3, alpha should be greater than 3 or lesser than minus 2, right? So least positive integral value of alpha can be 3, right?
Okay. Yeah.
But actually we should say 4 because it's greater. Yeah, we'll say it is greater, strictly inequality. So it should not be equal. So it is greater than 3. So least positive value will be 4. Correct. That will ensure that as the graph of the function, there will be a jump. So here there is no, it doesn't attain values here. So range is not equal to fully real numbers, right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Continue practicing. If you have doubts and all, you can also bring doubts. So we can discuss it in the next class. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. See you next class then.
Thank you.
Bye.